Up next, what to consider when you require legal services.
Divorce is never an easy decision to come to, much less understanding and navigating the complex legal aspects that come along with the process. Fortunately, the seasoned attorneys of Baghdaserians Law Group are here to help.
Patrick Baghdaserian, managing partner of the Baghdaserians Law Group. I formed my partnership with my friend Daniel Leonetti. We went to undergrad together approximately 22 years ago, and we formed a really close bond, somebody I could trust and somebody I can rely on, and I felt that it was appropriate to have someone like that in the group.
The term family law is really a broad term that includes several different aspects in legal areas. Let's go over some of the specifics.
Family law includes divorce law, and it includes paternity actions. And paternity actions are children had out of wedlock. So the process for getting a divorce with my office is actually pretty simple. We conduct the consultation, but of course, before we conduct any sort of consultation, we ensure that there are no conflicts. Once that's done and the retainer is signed, retainer is effectuated, we move forward. We're preparing the initial paperwork to open up a case so you could actually get a divorce decree in the state. So child custody cases could be a part of a divorce action, or they could be a part of a paternity action. Both types of cases in the state of California can have child custody issues. And child custody issues are the most probably heart-wrenching cases that you have to deal with, because you're dealing with the most precious thing in people's lives, children. So in the state of California, you are supposed to get a 50-50 division of property obtained or acquired during the marriage. Unfortunately, it becomes difficult because various issues can arise during a divorce. So it's very important to have a lawyer who's capable and knowledgeable to ensure that you get your fair share.
No two court cases are ever exactly the same. What are some of the biggest challenges you've encountered in dealing with family law cases?
From my experience, the most challenging cases are cases involving children, cases involving domestic violence, and cases involving spousal abuse. Unfortunately, I see them more and more, and especially since the pandemic, it's something that is a significant part of my business. And it's the most heart-wrenching, because you're not dealing with two large corporations where you're involved in a civil dispute. You're dealing with people's lives and the lives of children and the safety of your clients. One of the most common misconceptions with divorce litigation is that the children always go with the mom, regardless of the facts. That's not true. In the state of California, a judicial officer must consider all the facts and make a decision that is in the best interest of the minor children. There is no typical timeline as far as when a case resolves, whether it be by mediation or by litigation. Every case is different. And when I tell people who ask me this question, I always go, it takes two to tango. And if you're tangoing by yourself, it's usually not going to be easy to resolve the matter. And nowadays, with the congestion in the court system, it's very difficult and to move cases in a timely fashion. So it's very important to have a lawyer or a law firm on your side that can navigate these treacherous waters.
Divorce is a huge industry in any state, but especially in the state of California. Having an experienced attorney can make all the difference when it comes to fighting for your best interest and truly understanding the needs of your case.
So family law is a very unique area of law. It's truly a melting pot. You have to have experience and a knowledge of the family code, but you also have to have some sort of grasp about other practices in other areas, civil litigation, evidence code, criminal law, sometimes entertainment law, especially when you're here in Southern California, where we have a lot of people who are in the industry. And that's why it's so important to have a lawyer and a law firm that understands these different areas and has experience in these different areas as it relates to family law litigation. In order to become a certified family law specialist in the state of California, you have to go through a rigorous exam, and you have to get recommendations from other members of the state bar and judicial officers. You also have to demonstrate your experience and knowledge in the law by identifying number of trials you've completed and number of cases you've mediated to resolution. The reason the state bar makes the requirements so rigorous for becoming a certified specialist is they want to give confidence to the public. They want the public to know that this person not only has the academic knowledge to get the job done, but also has the experience and real life experience, whether in the courtroom or in the office mediating cases.
So if you have questions regarding divorce, child or spousal support, or any family law matter, Let Baghdaserians Law Group answer all of your legal questions.
Family law is a very intricate area. You want to hire someone who not only has the experience, temperament, but knowledge to get you through it. You don't want to hire some fly-by-night, some person who decided to do family law because it was the new trend, somebody who decided to do family law because it was an easy way to make a quick buck. You want someone who's knowledgeable, who's ethical, and has the experience to get you through it, because it can be very treacherous and it can be a very, very long process here in the state.
For more information about Baghdaserians Law Group, visit their website at baglawgroup.com. And of course, visit our website at thebalancingAct.com.